Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to check the oil in a modern car like this BMW here. It's not how you think it's going to be. I'll show you. Now, you got the bonnet open, all you need to do is find the dipstick. Now, where is that dipstick? Ah yes, here it is. This one here. You just give it a wiggle, and you pull it out, 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 and then you look at the bottom here and just check the level and make sure it's okay. No, I bet you're just as confused as I am about finding this dipstick. Now this isn't the dipstick. You know why? Because there is no dipstick in a modern BMW car. And I'll show you how to check it the BMW way. Now here we are in the BMW and we need to check the oil level. But how the heck are you supposed to check the oil level in this thing if there's no dipstick? Well, now you come to the main menu and you scroll through, either using the touchscreen or the control down on the center console. Go to My Vehicle, go down to Vehicle Status. And you can see over there's a few service options and bits and pieces. But you want to go Engine Oil Level, select that, and then you can measure the engine oil level. Now this is done after driving for 30 minutes with the engine switched on. I'm just going to switch on the engine now and see if it'll let me start the measurement. No, this is not possible. It's not possible. You need to wait until you've driven it for 30 minutes and then do the start measurement. But what will happen is it will go through its measurement cycle and then it will tell you whether you've got enough oil or you need to top it up. Generally with these cars, if you get low, it'll give you a warning anyway, but I think this is something that should be done regularly, checking the oil level for the sake of your car and its well-being. Do it, check it. But like I said, it's not the usual dipstick. The only dipstick is the guy pulling that big thing out of the front of the engine bay. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this. Thanks for watching, really appreciate it. See you later guys.